Hi all, this is Param. In this video, I will explain how the actually roll-up job has been defined, what are the things are associated with the jobs. Okay, I will show the demo as well. Okay, and how we have to define the jobs. Okay, how we have to start. Okay, and what are the APIs are related to the jobs. Okay, I will explain those things. But before to look into what is jobs, okay, some of the limitations, some of the technical factual about the roll-up jobs. Okay, so we will what is now I am saying here we will define any roll-up by job only. Okay, by job. Let's say we are saying auto scaling by the policy, right? If it is ILM, we are defining as a policy, right? Similarly, okay, if it is index, we are defining as a template, right? Okay, similarly we are defining a roll-up task as a job. Okay, just technical name, that's it. Okay, just now nothing beyond that. Okay, okay, technically if you are saying pure technically it's another API call, that's it. Okay, yeah, so we are creating roll-up jobs here. Okay, so some of things I want to tell you, some of the factor. Okay, roll-up jobs store the result. Okay, roll-up jobs store the result in separate index, right? Like transform also. Okay, transform also we will saving as a separate index, right? But we can preview, okay, without storing data in the transform. I am saying without saving, we can preview. Then if you want to save, you can save it. But here, okay, we have to save, otherwise there is no such things. Okay, so transformations we will transfer the roll-up. Sorry, forget transformation. Okay, roll-up. Okay, in the roll-ups we will store the summary data in a separate index. That is one factual information. Second things, the roll-up job will have, obviously must have, in fact, okay, must have both bucket aggregation and metric aggregations. Okay, that's okay, that is something. Okay, so obviously what is now while searching, okay, while searching we will be using separate API. Okay, separate API, I will show the demo. Okay, but we will search on the rolled up index, not raw index. Okay, raw data index. Okay, we will search on the rolled up index. Okay, but these are same, these query syntax is very same. Okay, okay. But what things now, at the same times we can search one rolled up data and one non rolled up data. Okay, one rolled up index and one non rolled up index. Why we need such things? But still I could not find any answer. Okay, but it's a capability. Okay, it's a capability. You can mix up both rolled up index as well as raw data index. You can in a single request. Okay, that is what. But at the same times, okay, at the same times you can have only one rolled up index per request. So let's say you have 10 rolled up index, okay, for your project. Okay, though you have 10, you can have only one rolled up index in every request. Okay, if you want to search, then you send another request with another rolled up index. Okay, okay, then job is the jobs runs automatically. Okay, automatically roll up jobs runs. Okay, automatically roll up process rolled up run. Okay, roll up jobs run. Roll-up jobs run automatically. Roll jobs run by scheduler. Okay, so once we configure roll-up jobs, okay, it will run with this given frequency. Okay, it will execute the given query in the source index and push the output to the rolled-up index. Okay. Okay, these are some technical terms or technical understanding about the jobs. Okay, now I will go to here my Postman. I will show some of the things. Okay, let me close all the stuff. Okay, so first steps we have to create the jobs. First steps, okay, primarily. So obviously this is what the sample graphs. Okay, here we will say what is the index patterns has to use to search the data. Okay, then this is the output index. Okay, and how often it has to run. Every 30 seconds here. Okay, every 30 seconds. Okay, then page size, it's you pull 1000 document, that's what. Okay, then as I told you, here we have two groups. Okay, two things. Okay, one is group and one metrics. Okay, so in the groups we will have the bucket aggregation. So date histogram must be there. Let me repeat, date histogram must be there. Okay, in every roll up jobs. Okay, so here we are using which field. Okay, what is the field name? So then in that I have to check. I have to interval bucketing by every 60 minutes. See here we are running every 30 seconds, but what I am now, so obviously overlapping will be there, right? Overlapping will be there, that's fine. Okay, Okay. But this is what, okay, in the data histogram syntax is same, okay. Whenever you, I mean, whatever you have in the data aggregation, so data histogram aggregation, it's the same, the same syntax. We will say field and what is fixed intervals, okay. Similar terms of aggregation, so I can say this is the, okay. So obviously both are not sub, okay, parallel, right. So parallel, okay. So it will group by data histogram, then it will group by terms, okay. Then similarly metrics, okay. So once it's grouped, we will find the we will find the sum of the metrics, okay, with the given field. So what is it, job ID will say, it can price something, okay. In your case it may be price something, okay. Okay, then of course for that you can find the average as well, okay. So it can be more than one, okay. Of course you can keep all them, okay. See, but there is one thing with respect to average, okay. So the way you can see now, min, max, sum, all are together to put together. The way it is max separately, okay, for the even for the same field. Yes, there is the separate theory for the average. What they are saying is average values we will be keep on changing. So so don't mix with that. So that's what they are saying. Okay. I can show you, I can explain you by samples, okay. Maybe in the next video I will explain by the samples, okay. So that's why, and the average values keep on changing, so that's why you put separate bucket, separate metrics, okay. So this is what the job definitions, okay. You can have metrics, you can have bucket aggregation, then you can see the source index pattern and destination index pattern, like how often it has to run, okay. So these are the job definitions, okay. Jobs are defined, that is fine. Okay, once again, I think I have run these jobs already. Let me see. No, let me run it. What it says. My internet connection is very poor right now. Okay, that could be the reasons. It is taking time. Okay, job will be created. If I get, I will show here. Okay, then once you create it, now you have to start your jobs. Then only it will start the action. Okay, again you can start, stop, pause, get the details, everything. There is a separate API is other, okay. Here you can see roll-ups. Again, this is my job name, okay. This is my job name underscore start. So I am just starting my jobs, okay. Similarly stop, similarly delete, everything is there, okay. So and then once the jobs are executed, okay, once the jobs are executed, obviously the rolled up index or output index, okay, output index or rolled up jobs will be data populated with the data, right, or summaries, okay, let's say summaries or metrics will be populated, right. So in that, so this is my output index, this is my output index, okay. In that I am going to search for that rolled up job. Search API is completely differ. If normal index means it will be only underscore search. Since it is a rolled up index, so obviously the search API itself, path itself same, first is vary, okay. Then we can say size, this DSL is very same, DSL will be the same, DSL completely same for both rolled up index or raw index, okay. What the, okay, DSL is same, okay. Fine, here we are doing aggregations on the my field, okay, finding the max. So let's say obviously, let's say it's running every 10 minutes, 30 seconds, right. Let's say I have 100 documents, so okay, among the 100 I can find the maximum value, okay. So it's kind of pipeline aggregation, right. You are, yes, yeah, you are correct, you are right, okay. It's kind of pipeline aggregation now. Because already we have aggregated by the metric aggregation. Now we are output of metric aggregation, we are giving, from that we are finding the max values, okay. This is what pipeline aggregations will be do, okay. Okay, so this is a very complex steps, okay. Okay, here what is it, okay. So yeah, you can have any level of comments, okay. Data histograms, aggregations within that. I have by the good terms by node, then sub aggregation. I am here, okay. I have put sub aggregations. So whatever the things are support, okay, I will tell you what are there are some limitations are there. I will tell you about the limitations in the next video, okay. But you can write whatever the query you want, but it support 90%, at least majority of the query DSL supported by the in the query. So you can majority of DSL supported to query in the rolled up index. Yes, rolled up index. That's what. Okay, I think I have explained the job content and how to start, stop, okay, kill, okay, everything you can do. I will show some of the other API. Okay, that's all about the jobs content. I think this is all about limitations, okay. API, I will tell you, okay, API. See here, this is a namespace. It will start jobs. These two we have seen till now, and of course we have seen that search, roll up. Okay, okay. This will not start with roll up, okay. And data, okay. So data is something different, okay. I have not tried out till now, okay, but there is a data path as well in the API. Okay, if I get to know, I will explain to you, but still one thing I want to tell you, as I have told you in the previous video itself, this is still in the beta stage. It's up to you whether you want to use in your real project or not, or protection you want to use or not. It's beta stage, okay, as of 7.16.1, okay. Okay, that's all about this. Okay, if you like the content, please leave your comment, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.